Machalo district
was the chair PTA.
Machalo district
As the district,
policy mo iken pe
there is no policy
maka la korija megoro time mawelo district bini ye ando ineno mawan wanena watamu ni inma waniange lutino pa mego tie magikwane skulu lutini mara mangwen watamu ni lutini yegini mero pitute Gukwan level market yene wegla biro labo cholo jene PTA.
As the district local leaders, there is no by law with the states, but however they thought as the district leaders that these children where they were studying and their mother got this debt from, they want these children to study there until they complete their primary cycle in Uriebo Primary.
Man any began support.
This one does not stop UA to come and give support to these children. This one is just a very narrow perspective that they don't think that the district has now taken over the studies of these learners. So you should also go ahead, continue with your arrangement. So come and support
the management in taking lead kind. The teachers chair
should take this lead because the teachers are always transferred to other schools.
So meronera neo ukero jambe gini chaji we kano goge tija tiga mano ki kwabo kamuke no uno dong iki maja bene kage tambaka megutum iyano bari po maka megi inero no merubetie we no magleo ni nena lutino igini
so that even when you are leaving, when your term is over, you also leave it in the file so that whoever comes will get the document and the information in your document. Monas, yeah, so the one communication to the police. Please take out. I know we have been a lot of painful death like this one. We have been seeing in our community where we live. And we are the one coming to mourn together with you. He's requesting the clan where living. The way you have been consoling others who have always been, bereaved like this one, the same way you should also console yourself. Go to Oa. He wants to thank you, the Chief Warden, for coming personally. And he's not happy on you, your group and you in particular.
Chief Warden, I am not happy with your responses whenever any incident has taken place. Your team is too slow in response. And you are not, I think you are not committed to your duties. When I heard your response here, it is like you don't know your duties. I am very surprised to hear when you say that you are going to make consultation. What were you doing from the date our mother was killed up to the date? You first wait from people to say that this elephant must be killed. Then you start saying that you should what? You should do the consultation. What have you been doing all along? I am not happy to and this is not how you should be doing the work. This is a matter of life. As I speak now, I have a holy mama in my sub-county in the name of Bakwere Paulina, and she was injured a week ago. But as we speak right now, the holy mama is in serious pain. They only need a belt of 150,000 shillings, but you cannot afford, really?
Documentaries me go tika mito del mitu yo pier me ali mia chere pier bijiken eto dul me wa pegi ramo no del eneme ali mia chere pier bijiken.
The mama was taken to the hospital, but she was brought back. But at night, the woman is crying day and night. She cannot even lie. And you see that she's taking medication. Really?
Eto kidwa ko chien ubede ka ini chere winyo kita me go tika rem kere di wo di cheng me go kok ma ping ru documentaries.
I am really very disappointed with your team.
Cheki wo do twa documentaries le wit ma ko twa lok ma jon tika lokone.
I give you another example. I had a Opio Paul. Was also the arms, all the two arms were broken, still from my constituency. The way you responded, the way your team responded. The person received medical attention after 3 days. All these days he has been in pain.
Eto mejakini moli wano paka wanina deki iborogata.
The POP was supposed to be removed from his arms on 17th of October, but the POP was removed just on 6th.
Wana mara kiromet keto chuoga chele no mirgi kwanyo ho eni dweman wajina eto gale paka wana maja yake kwanyo.
Your response is very slow.
I
am not really happy with the team. And you need to pull up your socks. To me, I would just say, you can make your consultation. By the end of the year, you clear the ground. And
he wants to thank the chair LC3. He talks very well. He says it does not want kaka in his and he's saying that he thinks one comma has spoken with the because chairperson LC3 has not been with the councillors. He says people don't rush. And they were sweet talking. Did not enter the agreement. They entered the agreement. And the
Stan maka mega majalo district council tie konda lo pe council below and Lego kai logo lo kene ke chini wenga mera po imateke.
When you speak with your all heart, then thank you very much.
Kiro Lego drochen go to abere jano renya wa jawo karachel ke council beach you work whenever you are
with because we are not speaking the same language. LC3s are speaking their languages. Councillors are also doing their own languages. They are not moving. As all of us. Today we have come to mourn and send our dear ones.